Canva users only use about 20% of what Canva can actually do. Today, I'm going to show you 7 powerful Canva features that can save you time and instantly improve your designs. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I share Canva tutorials, graphic design tips, and design hacks to help you create professional designs using your phone. Let's get started. One of the features is remove background. And how do you remove the background of a picture on Canva? Let me show you right away. Click on upload. And you click on edit image. Click on the image tools. After you've uploaded the image, you click the BG remover. And instantly you have removed the background in seconds without using another app. The second feature is magic eraser. So I will click on magic eraser right here after the background remover. Then I will brush where I want to remove. So this is just for sample. Then I'll click on erase. You can also see, just like that, you have removed unwanted objects from your pictures with just a few taps. The third feature is blanket. Let me show you the blanket where it is all right on Canva. You go back to your Canva homepage and you click more at the bottom right here on your Canva homepage. You click more, then you click on blank. Here is the blanket section where you can save your colors, the logos, the fonts, so you don't have to add them every time. So you can save the logo, the color, the font, blank voice, the photo, so you don't need to be adding them every time. And anytime you want to design, you can always make use of them since you already saved them under the blanket section. And the fourth feature is magic design. So I will go back. I will click on Canva AI. I will click on design. Then I will type. I will click on social media. Then I will click go ahead to create a flyer for perfume business for me. Wow, we can see that it has already created the flyers for us. The Canva AI can generate complete design layout from a prompt I input, and after it has generated the flyer, you can always use Canva editor to add any element that you want to add to it, either your social media icons, your phone number, your address. So that is the work of the magic design. We have the fifth feature, which is text effects. Let me show you text effects. So let me click on the Canva editor. Now here is our flyer. Then I will click on this unveil to just show the sample of how the text effect works right on Canva. Then I will scroll forward to effects. You can see we have different effects that you can use. We have the shape. Here you can curve your text the way you want it. This will let me increase this. You can see text effects can make your headline stand out instantly. And the next feature, which is feature 6, we have the styles. Let me show you the style panel where you can change the entire color palette and font combinations with one click. So I will click on the text. You can see the text style, you can see the font combinations. And also we can do the magic right. And the last feature, which is content schedulers, you can always schedule social media posts directly from Canva. So let me show you how to schedule your post on Canva. So you scroll forward to apps without clicking on any element on the design. So you scroll forward to the apps, you click on apps, and you scroll down to communications. So when you see communications here, you click on see all, then you see the content scheduler, where you can always schedule your social media posts directly from Canva. So those are 7 Canva features every beginner should know. Which one surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications because I post new Canva tutorials every week. Thank you.